from tabletop pose. Inhale, arch your back, look at the sky. Exhale, round your back, rock your belly. Inhale, arch your back, open your chest. Exhale, round your back, rock your belly. Inhale, arch your back, moving at your own pace. Listen to your body. This gently move around your spine, improves your breathing, and helps release tension in your back. Come back to center. Lay your heart melt toward the mat. Inhale, feel space across your chest. Exhale, soften a little deeper. Keep the neck easy, no tension in the throat. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Exhale, ha. Slowly wake up, shift back into downward facing dog. Lengthen spine. Begin to pedal out through your feet. Look forward. Walk your hand forward. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, bow down. Inhale, arms up. Palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. One more. Inhale, arms up. Palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Last one. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bow down. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, bow down. Step your foot back. Inhale, plank pose. Exhale, lower your body to the mat. Inhale, open your chest. Up dog. Exhale, shift back into downward facing dog. Lengthen spine, relax your shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Look forward, walk your hand. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. One more. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Last one. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Step your right foot back. Inhale, arms up, warrior one. Bend your front knee. Root down through your front leg. Open your chest. Inhale, exhale. Open your arms wide. Come into warrior two. Gaze straight. Shift back into reverse warrior. Take a deep breath into your side body. Exhale, triangle pose. Open your arms, look at the sky. Focus on your breath. Hand to the mat and switch side. Inhale, arms up. Warrior 1. Bend your front knee. Open your chest. Focus on your breath. Come into Warrior 2. Open your arms wide. Gaze straight. Relax your arms. Shift back into reverse warrior. Exhale, triangle pose. Open your chest, look at the sky. Inhale and exhale. Hand to the mat. Step your back foot forward. Arms up, sink your hips back. Come into chair pose. Engage your core. Exhale, halfway up, straight your legs. One more inhale, arms up, chair pose, palms touch, and twist to the left. Exhale, halfway up. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, twist to your right. Inhale and exhale. Exhale, halfway up, stretch your legs. Slowly roll up. Come into seated position, cross-legged seated. Sit tall. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist. Keep your shoulders soft. Let the ocean calm your breath. Inhale, arms up, switch side, twist. There is no rush, just breathe. Come back to center, lie down on your back. Gently hug your left knee into your chest. Let your shoulders soften, relax your jaw. Feel your lower back melting into the sand. Inhale and exhale. Switch side. There is nothing to do, just breathe. Extend your legs long. Let your arms rest by your side. Turn your palms facing up. Allow your feet to fall open. Let your whole body be heavy. Let your breath return to normal. There is nothing to fix. There is nothing to achieve. Just breathe. Inhale and exhale. Let your body free rest. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the sand. Allow your muscle to soften. Release your jaw. Relax the space between your eyebrows. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Slowly wake up, seated position. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hand to the heart center. One more. Inhale, arms up. Palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Last one. Inhale, arms up. Palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Thank yourself for showing up today. See you.